Maryland personal injury attorney Marcus Boston here, bringing you another video on behalf of Boston Law Group LLC. Today I want to actually talk about something that is searched a lot to get to our website, and it's actually a very, very serious issue, and that is what happens if you kind of think that there might be some issues of medical malpractice, and the reason why is because you think that there was actually too much fluid in the body. So the search usually comes up as, you know, there was actually too much fluid in the body. What do I do? Now, a lot of times you got to remember with medical malpractice cases, these cases are very complicated, and the doctors in a lot of these cases, you know, they want to make sure that they didn't do anything wrong. So a lot of times you have to actually look very careful to try to find these issues. But if you actually suspect that there was an issue with too much fluid, usually IV fluid of some sort in the body will begin to give some telltale signs. Now, again, these signs can actually come up in other issues too, but if there's too much IV or there's too much fluid in the body, it actually presents itself. And normally you can see swollen eyes, the eyes begin to swell, the hands will swell, ankles, swollen ankles. There's a spike in the blood pressure. You see ballooning of the neck and the veins. These are all signs that the body is saying that there's too much fluid in the body. Now, if there is too much fluid in the body, what that normally can lead to is it can lead to heart failure. It can lead to organ failure. It can lead to kidney failure. Again, these are usually the results of too much fluid actually being in the body. Now, a lot of times it can be missed because what the cause or what the issue, you know, from the doctor's standpoint or from the medical provider standpoint would just be, well, you know, patient died of heart failure, or the patient died of, you know, kidney failure. You know, there was some issues with kidney failure, the issue with other organs, but they may not necessarily say what actually caused or what actually led up to the organ failure, what led up to the heart failure, what led up to the kidney failure. So again, you know, like I said, these cases are very complicated. You got to get your medical records, and there has to be a thorough examination of the records done to actually be able to let you know, okay, was there actually too much IV fluid, or was there too much fluid in the body, and is that actually what caused my loved one's death? Now, for more helpful information on medical malpractice and what you need to know before you can even go forward with a medical malpractice claim, actually go to our website, and that's bostonlawllc.com. Again, that's bostonlawllc.com. And once you get to the website, there's actually a free book that we have, and I actually have a copy of it here. This is our latest book, Don't Get Left in the Dark: What You Must Know Before Bringing a Medical Malpractice Case in Maryland. Now, this is on the medical malpractice side. Now, again, if there was an issue of death, then of course that's going to be a wrongful death element is actually going to be included also. But this book will actually help you from the help you understand the medical aspect of things. And again, it's not that big. I mean, and it's written in plain, everyday language. It's not. We went to great lengths to keep it consumer friendly. So if you go to our website, at the top you're going to see a scrolling banner. When it scrolls around in medical malpractice, click on the little link for medical malpractice. It'll shoot you off to a contact form, and fill out that contact form. As soon as we process the request, we'll get the book out to you. Thanks for actually taking the time to listen to the video today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.